Hello, people. I'm going to record a video of me playing in the rain. Woo! My phone is inside a plastic bag. Really can't see anything because of the flash. Let's turn it off. Gonna go outside and record me running around in the rain. Whee! Let's go see. This shall be fun. Okay, not running around in the rain because I don't run. But in the rain we go. Whee! It is raining. It is me in the rain. Whee! Because I like the rain. Woo! No, and my phone is in a plastic bag so it doesn't get wet. Woo! Yes, I am crazy. Yes, sir. I am crazy. Woo! What I need is a bar of soap. And not nosy neighbors, not shower in the rain like in the old days. See, it really is raining. This is not camera attribute. Stand in the puddle. Not the muddy puddle, but the puddle. See? The puddle. If my son was here, this video would be much more better. Puddle. Splash, splash, splash. Call me retarded, but I'm thinking this is fun.